my name is Faith History. Welcome to yet another exciting episode of eDigital Africa, the show where we take you deeper into your online journey, especially right here in Nigeria, and of course, Africa at large. Now, my name again is Faith History, and I am going to be your digital, surfer dude, guy, girl, right here on the show. So one of the first things we're going to do is tell you how to reach back out to us, how to communicate back to us. You might have seen something on the show or you want to see something more on the show. So we ask you to follow us on social media at eDigital Africa. One word, at eDigital Africa, and use the hashtag DigitalGangTV, all right? If you use that hashtag, then I'll know that you're talking about the show and tell us what you need us to know. Of course, we want to feature you, so if there's something digital that you're doing or that you've seen online that is really cool and you want us to show it on the show, please send it to us via social media. So we're accepting that on Twitter, Instagram, DMs, and of course you can go check out our website, eDigitalAfrica.com. Without much ado, let's get into the show. Today we're going to be exploring 7 ways, 7 ways of making money from home online. So come online, baby. Starting out at number 7, we've got, you guessed it, what am I doing right here? What am I doing right now? Vlogging. Yes, so vlogging. Vlogging is basically like blogging, and in case you didn't know what even blogging is, it is like an online journal. Remember like your old journal where you would, write out your heart and what's going on in your life, and your physical journal, like that's journaling. Okay, well, it went online and became blogging, and then it took another step forward and got into video, and that is vlogging. So vlogging is a way that a lot of people make money, guys. They go and create videos and they put it on different vlogging platforms, including YouTube, Vimeo, sometimes even Instagram, Facebook Live. All of those platforms have a form of vlogging that can be done on those platforms. So you can vlog on practically any social media platform at this time in history. So we think vlogging is something that is important that you could do to make money online. What do you need to vlog? You need a camera. You need, sometimes you don't even need a computer. You need just a mobile phone, and you can do your video. Make sure that you have light, always facing the light, always face the light. Natural light is good. Sometimes you don't have natural light. You can light up the space, and you can actually find videos on how to be a good vlogger on, yes, you guessed it, YouTube. Now, we're gonna tell you a little bit later on in the show how you can get YouTube streaming packs, how you can get Insta Binge packs, like how you could basically be supported, because MTN's got your back. And of course, we're gonna be showing you ways that we are going to be able to make your experience on all these platforms, trying to make your money better, all right? Easier. All right, coming up next is number 6. Number 6 way that you can make money online, baby. Transcriptioning. Yes, I said it. Do you know what transcriptioning is? It is when you put on earphones, you listen to audio carefully, and then you type out what they are saying. Why do you think somebody would need this? Because there's so many different careers and organizations in the world that, especially like the legal system, like courts, that had a situation where people are in the courts and something is happening and they have it all on tape, but they want it transcribed so that somebody can read it easily. Well, guess what? You can get that job. All you need is super fast data, of course, because who wants to be waiting for the next word? And you need a quiet space. You need a computer for sure. And sometimes you can even find like really cool transcription devices and software online. But very simply put, they will send you the file and you will transcribe it, and then you'll send it back and it will pay you your money. Ha ha, thank me later. Okay, so one of the first places that you can get to become a starter transcriber is to go to transcribeanywhere.com. Okay, transcribeanywhere.com. And then you can also do like a Google search for other spaces where you can become a transcriber. All right, next up, number 5. Number 5, online tutoring, all right? It's exactly what it says. You are a teacher. You have a vast amount of knowledge on one particular subject or two or three or 10, and you decide that there is a student in China, for instance. So you speak very good English and you have a student in China who wants to learn, but they don't have access to teachers, or they just don't have access to even the money to travel to find a teacher. And you, here comes you, get online into this tutoring platform, and you can have a one-on-one with them, teaching them English. That's online tutoring. So where can you do this? You can do this on Facebook. You can do a live video. You can like live video chats. You can do it on Instagram. Like so many places where you can online tutor. But to really look at some of the really top places that you could do online tutoring, check out our other video, which is on our YouTube. All right, go look for it. It's the ED, that's EdTech Startup platform videos. Okay, so that's the platform that you need to go look at. And if you look at those videos, you'll see all the different platforms where we've talked about online tutoring. Okay, all right. Coming up after the break, we've got number 4. Number 4, I've got virtual assistants. Okay, so what is a virtual assistant, or who is a virtual assistant? Basically, think about your real life assistant, your real life secretary, your real life, worker, right? That's in your office, admin, that answers your phone calls, fixes your calendar, maintains it, replies to emails, and even manages your social media. That's a virtual assistant. So think about it this way. You are sitting at home and you could be a virtual assistant to someone in Jos and you're in Lagos. Get it? All right now. And then they give you a bunch of tasks. They don't need you to see you face to face every day. But they need the services that you can provide. They need an assistant. So you provide the services to them online. And if you do a good job, they pay you your money and the relationship continues to grow from there. So what are some of the websites that you can check out? We actually already did a video about like the top recruitment and job websites online. So go check out that video. But because I'm feeling sorry for you guys, I'll ask you to also go to remote.co, okay, and Upwork. All right, so those are 2 websites that you can get to become a virtual assistant and find clients. So what kind of skills do you need? You need to be able to write very well, okay? You need to be able to write very good English. You need to be able to respond in a timely manner. If I ask you as my virtual assistant to send an email and you're telling me at the end of the day that, there was no light, no, I don't hear that. Virtual assistant means you will be on time, punctual, proficient, efficient, and you can be you can keep things confidential. So it's very important that you realize that you have all these skills, plus you must have a lot of software skills, right? Like software, office software, Microsoft Office, all of those types, Excel, because you might be asked to do so many different types of things, not just basics. So virtual assistant, that's my number 4. Coming up next, I've got another one for y'all, number 3. At number 3, this one is my personal favorite. Well, one of my personal favorites. It is graphic design, right? Graphic designers, to me, are just special people. They are able to bring art, typography, they're able to bring like imagery together. They can create logos, branding for magazines. Like, think about it in terms of like art and visual identities. Like, what do you actually see that is not created by graphic designers? Like, this skill to me is like one of the most beautiful skills ever. It's like a modern day digital artist. That's what I think of them, graphic designers. So they're able to pull together your story, create a story, whether it's for a magazine or it's for digital media or it's for TV. Like, you always need somebody who's good with graphics, right? If this is a skill that you have, I promise you, you will never be hungry. I'm telling you right now. However, you require certain skills. Okay, you need to be able to use Photoshop. Some people like to use Illustrator. Some people need to be able to use Corel Draw. So it doesn't matter what software or tool that you're using, as long as you can master it and you can do anything that you need to be able to do with those tools. So let's look at things like Canva for people like myself that, I'm not like a hectic graphic designer, but I want to be able to put together a look and feel. And so we have tools like that kind of cheat the system. So as a graphic designer, again, you can make money to get your juices, your creative juices flowing. You can check out websites like Behance.net and Dribbble. And that Dribbble is with 3 B's. Dribbble. Okay, coming up next is number 2. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people don't really understand what affiliate marketing is. How does it work? What's in it for me? I'll tell you how it works. It requires 2 parties. 1, 2. The merchant, typically somebody selling something on their website, and the affiliate. That's you, all right, watching me right now. So you are the affiliate, and your job is to drive traffic to your marketer's website, right? To your merchant's website, rather. So your merchant could be a brand like Jumia, or a fashion design brand, and they just want to get more traffic to their website. So what do you need to be able to do to get traffic to their website? As an affiliate, you need, because this is online, babies. It's online. So as an affiliate, you need your own blog or website. So when you think about, what do I need a blog for? I don't want to blog. It's just like wasting time. A lot of people blog just to be affiliate marketers. That's like a huge chunk of their income. So you do a deal with your merchant, and then you say to them, hey, I get 50,000 people coming to my website every day. They listen to me, they read my articles, they believe in what I tell them because I am trustworthy and I've built the credibility with them. And you, as a merchant, you need me because I think that if I can even send like 10% of them to you, you will make money. And they buy, obviously. So that's, I'm going to explain this a little bit in the future around that content marketing and stuff like that. But for right now, what you need to know is that affiliate marketing is a way that you can make money online from home. So let's look at some of the affiliate marketing companies or merchants that deal with affiliate marketing in Nigeria that run a good, solid, credible program, right? We're talking about Jumia, one of the biggest online e-commerce giants. Of course, you all know them. They just had an IPO. I'm not saying that. Okay, now let me talk more. Konga is another one. And here's another one. This one is global, baby. I'm sure you've heard of them. If you haven't and you've been under a rock, come on, baby. Amazon. Amazon. I mean, the sound of it alone is like Amazon. And then we also have like Waka Now, which is a travel website that we all know. You can, book travel deals across the world. They also have a strong affiliate program. So all of that information is right here on the screen. Check it out, guys. And after the break, we are going to come up on my number 1 way that you are sitting at home making money, baby. Ching, ching. My number 1. You guys know this one. A lot of people claim to be this, and a lot of them don't even know what they're doing. So make sure that before you get into this field, this is my next field, that you really get some time to train yourself and learn the skills that are needed for this. Because if you're good, I promise you, you will never go hungry. Not even for the next 50 years, because social media is here to stay. So think about it. Snapchat, we got Facebook, we got Instagram, we got Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and the new ones that haven't even been created yet, right? All social media, billions of people on it. So here comes my number 1, social media marketing. Boom, that is it. If you are a social media marketer and you've got these skills, you can write, you can do graphics, you could do advertising, you could do SEO, you could curate content, you could do research, you can manage a brand. It's not just about posting. A lot of people are like, man, I'm a social media manager, and then all they want to do is tell me what to post. Post. Do you have graphics? Can you do a layout? Can you show me what my feed will look like in a month's time? Can you respond, customer service, to my consumers and my listeners and my followers online? When they're saying, hey Faith, or hey eDigital, we want to find out about this. Is there somebody responding to them? So customer service is part of it. Graphics. Does the page look nice? Are the images well curated? Like who picks what some of you guys have on your pages. Like, it's not even cute. And mine is not the best in the world. Actually, it's one of the best in Nigeria right now. You should be following us on social media, baby. And if you have an amazing social media page that you follow or like and your layout is amazing, please tell us about it on the show. That's why I keep telling you, follow us on social media, Digital Africa, and we can start having conversations, you know, like seeing each other. And that's it, guys, for my top 7 online jobs that you could be doing from home. And if you don't have the skills that are necessary to do one or all or any of these things on my list, guess what? You can learn on the internet. And MTN's got your back. Remember, I told you that we're gonna share with you some of the things that MTN has brought together to help you live your best digital life. Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. So we got the YouTube streaming pack, right? We got the Insta binge pack, and we've got the 4G plan. So between all of these things, you're good to go. Like, you're good to be online and really make the experience count for you. Don't just be looking for music videos. I mean, I love music videos too, but you know, share some of the time and learn something, pick up a new skill, you know, like take yourself to the next level so you can make some money, baby. Yes! All right, that's the show for me today. Please don't forget, you can follow us on all of our social media platforms, Digital Africa. That's us, and that's goodbye from me, your girl, Faith History.